Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce you a professional photo booth software, CheckTalk. Maybe you have ever used CheckTalk on a 360 photo booth. Right now, you can also use CheckTalk on an iPad photo booth. You can install CheckTalk from App Store on your iPad and then put the iPad into the photo booth. Open CheckTalk, register your account and log in your account. Get the ring light collected on CheckTalk. Then you can easily control the ring light brightness, the ring light color, and the ring light temperature. The main function of CheckTalk on iPad photo booth is to create and share the artworks. Take photos and put the photos into a photo template. Also, you can print it out if you have a printer nearby. Record the best moments and share the joy. Open CheckTalk, click Me, and click here to create your account or log in. If you was a new user, click New User Register. Input your email address and register your account. After you register with your account, log in with your email address and input the passwords. Okay, after you log in, you can click here, Free VIP. You can input the device number. The device number was on the label sticker. The label sticker was on the back side of the ring light. Also, you can get free VIP with scanning. Click this plus button and click Scan. To open the camera to scan on the QR code. The ring light control and start to take a photo. Click this button and select iPad photo booth. Click the upper right corner plus button and click ring light. Here is the button Collect. Click it to get the ring light collect. And we can set the color, temperature, and saturation and RGB to select a color of the ring light. And set the brightness. Or you can click System to choose a certain color with grid or spectrum. Or slider. And click Photo. Select a photo template. Click Next. To start take photo. On the right side, we can set the ring light color. Or use this one to choose a color. Set the brightness. Set the color, temperature. Filter and beauty, middle beauty, and click this camera button to start. It will take 2 photos and put the 2 photos into this template. We can click Save to save this photo and click Share to share with email, messages, and QR code. Also, we can print the photo out if you have a printer nearby. Click this photo, click here, click share, print. If you have a printer nearby, it will be here. Select the printer and click this print. It will send this photo to your printer with the AirPrint function. Also, you can share with some other applications on your iPad. The event function. Click the upper right corner button and click event. Click this plus button to create a new event. Name, time, location, description. Next, we can choose the camera, the camera settings, the video duration, the share options, email, QRQ, SMS, and app, and the beauty, filter and beauty. We can select the filter, select the high beauty, and click next. Add a photo template. We select with 1 by 1. Background, click background to add a background, or we can choose the default background. Choose this one. And photo layer, we can put some photo layers. So this is the photo 1, and this is photo 2, and this is photo 3. Here. And overlay. Add some overlay. This is default overlays. We can also click this plus button to add overlays from our album. Close it. Video overlay. This is for videos. Background picture. You can choose a background picture from your album. This background picture is the event background is the event background picture. Okay, let's set this one. Set this one. Okay, and click next. A background music. Let's set a background music. And click next. Members can modify. We can open this function. Members can modify stickers and background music, or you can close it so the members cannot do these options. And click confirm. It will upload your background pictures, and it will upload your background music to the cloud. So after this is done, the event is set up. Here we can enter shooting device. Click enter shooting device. This event was in your event gallery. So here, all an upcoming, ongoing, ended. Click this one. This is the test event we just set up. Click enter shooting device. So this is the background picture we uploaded from our local album and click take photo. So this is the photo template we set. Select it and click next. We can choose the ring light color. Okay, this one, and set the brightness, temperature, red, green. Okay, filter. So this is default filter, and this is default beauty we set on the event, preset on the event, and click button to start. So the second picture and the third picture. Okay, so that's all. We can click share to share with email, messages, and QR code and other application on your iPad. Also, we can click print to print it out. I have already done almost all these steps and tried the main functions of ChatTalk on this iPad phone booth. Hope this will be helpful for you to get understand how is the iPad phone booth working.